Hello Grumpies, Jason here, GrumpyHare instructor, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a MP3 audio file using a little bit of ChatGPT and a screen recorder. So let's start here. Say this is your website, for example, and you want to take this information here to get an MP3 of it. So what I'm going to do is copy this, highlight it, copy it. Then I'm going to head over to ChatGPT. I'm going to open up a new ChatGPT chat. For this, I'm going to tell ChatGPT to not respond to it, but just repeat what I say. There we go, throw this in. I'm going to space it out a little bit, just to help formatting. And then send it out. There we go. So now ChatGPT, after I instructed it to respond to my message by just repeating it, so it didn't add anything else to offer, then if we see this little button right here that says read aloud, if I click on that,
we buy houses in Wilton, Connecticut, sell your house in Wilton to us, and skip the entire listing process. No fees, no closing cost, no repairs to make, 100% free.
you can hear that it reads aloud what I put. Now, this is where the screen recorder comes in. I can now use a screen recorder to capture the audio that's being said through my computer. So, there are many different ways that you can get this audio. Different screen recorders, there's Camtasia, there's OBS. There is also this one here called AppGeeker. Whichever one you want to use, there are plenty of different ways to do it. I'm going to show you how to do it in AppGeeker, as it's just a simple process. AppGeeker is a paid service, but for the first 3 minutes you can record audio. So, go ahead and download AppGeeker, install it, and once you've installed it, you'll see a screen recorder just like this. Now this is extremely similar to Camtasia as well. Once you're here, if you click on video recorder, you can go to audio recorder. Now here, make sure your microphone is turned off and your system sound is on. You can do a test if you want, but you can see here the difference between the two. Now if I hit record, wait for the timer to go through, then I'm going to go back to my ChatGPT window. I'm going to move this out the way, and then I'm going to hit read aloud.
We buy houses in Wilton, Connecticut, sell your house in Wilton to us, and skip the entire listing process. No fees, no closing cost, no repairs to make, 100% free. Learn how our house buying process works. We buy houses in Wilton, Connecticut, with cash, giving us the ability to close on your property within weeks rather than months. No delays and no official inspections. We are the decision makers. We can and we will buy your house in cash.
Perfect. When you're done, just hit that square button, and then you'll see your audio file. So this one here is a test one I did earlier. This one here is the one we just did. You can see that that was 39 seconds. So perfect in time, as I mentioned before. It's just the first 3 minutes that are free. So here I can give it a listen. And if you did come across areas like I did, as it took me a little bit before I hit the play button, you can trim it down.
And skip the
So in that case,
Connecticut.
I would
We buy houses
trim it here. And then you can listen
in
to
Wilton,
it.
Connecticut, sell your house in Wilton to us, and skip the entire listing process.
Okay. Sounds good. And keep in mind that the trim feature is a paid feature, so if you don't want to pay for this and you still want to get it trimmed, then you can probably just do another recording and just make sure you click it soon enough. It does give you 3-second countdown to get over to your section and to click it. So to avoid paying to trim, just re-record it and just make sure you get the time down. After you have got your audio recording, then you can click on it here, make sure it's check marked. Then you can hit the export for free button. The video will then be exported. If you click here to open the folder, it will take it to your portion of your computer that has your audio file. So mine is this one, and I'm just going to rename it just so I know which one it is. I'm going to right click, I'm going to hit rename, and I'm going to call this Intro to Homepage. Well, first you have to make sure that you close out of your recorder. So let me close out of that. Then I can rename it. And there you go. That's how you get an MP3 using a screen recorder and ChatGPT.